Open the glove box. Remove the access panel. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new AQ1102C filter with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the access panel. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.